Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix Roblox not launching. To start, in the search box enter Control, click on Uninstall a program. After that, select Roblox Player and click Uninstall. Wait for Roblox to be uninstalled. After this, open CMD from the search. You can open it as administrator or not. Here, use the cd command to go to the local appdata path. Once there, run the command rmdir/s Roblox. Press enter and enter the letter Y to confirm. After this, go to the link that we leave you in the video description. Click Download Windows app. Now click on the executable. You must click on Run. Then wait for Roblox to be installed locally. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. As you see, now you can play in Roblox without any errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.